Get rid of dirt, grease, or makeup on face with makeup remover. Clean face with cleanser. Apply toner. Apply the cotton wet with blackhead removing liquid to the area where there are blackheads and whiteheads. Cover eye area and apply hot steam 10 minutes. The hot steam works to expand pores so as to help clean skin and promote skin's absorption of nutrients. Hydrafacial, clean pores and skin. Set parameters, time, 5 to 8 minutes is recommended. Bottle A, Bottle B, and Bottle C. Choose one of the 3 bottles and then pour prepared liquid nutrient into it. Bottle D, pour pure water into this bottle. Use Bottle D in this treatment. Suction. Turning the knob clockwise is to increase suction, and turning it anti-clockwise is to decrease suction. Adjust it based on individual endurance. The amount of water, 50% of the maximum amount is recommended. Treatment should not be performed on U-zone on face or sensitive skin. Hydrafacial can suction blackheads and whiteheads and relieve acne to leave skin smooth and clean. Move the handpiece in spiral curve on 3 spots and then unite to connect them. Repeat the technique on the whole face and then cleanse nose. Turn off the hot steam. Clean face. Oxygenation sprayer, contract pores, and hydrate deep layer of skin. Set parameters, time, 5 to 8 minutes. The amount of spray, control it by using the lever on the sprayer according to individual situation. Cover eyes and nose during treatment. Direct the sprayer at face from a distance of 10 to 15 centimeters. The sprayer can inject atomized oxygen into basal layer of skin, providing the moisture and nutrients skin needs. Scrubber, clean pores again. Set parameters, 37 NS level, 5 minutes working time and constant working mode are recommended respectively. Do not wipe face dry after using the sprayer. Move the scrubber on jaw, cheek, and forehead. High-frequency vibration is used to reduce blackheads, whiteheads, and acne into small particles, and then remove them. Clean face. Cold hammer, contract pores, soothe and repair skin. Set parameters, 37 NS level, 5 to 8 minutes of working time and cold mode are recommended respectively. Apply gel to face and then move the handpiece on jaw, cheek and forehead. Based on the dermal expansion and contraction, it can contract pores, soothe and repair skin, and smooth out wrinkles. Ultrasound, stimulate cell regrowth and help with nutrient introduction. Set parameters, 3 to 7 NS level, 10 to 15 minutes of working time and constant working mode are recommended respectively. Apply essence to face and then move the handpiece from jaw towards cheek. Move the handpiece from jaw to cheek and finally to forehead in circular motion. Use one hand and the handpiece to lift from jaw towards cheek. Bio, firm and tighten skin and promote cellular permeability and metabolism. Set parameters 3 to 7 energy level, 10 to 15 minutes of working time, and mode 1 are recommended respectively. Apply gel to face and then move the handpiece from jaw towards cheek. Move the handpiece on jaw, cheek, and forehead in circular motion. Clean face. Apply face mask. Wait for 15 minutes. Remove face mask. Clean face. Apply toner, essence, lotion, face cream, and sun cream.